Hello, social media friends. I'm Viridiana Marquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Danny Barrera has the story.
During the third installment of the Midland Unified Command press conference, Dr. Lawrence Wilson, MD, confirmed the death of a 60-year-old Midland Memorial Hospital patient with COVID-19.
We did have a COVID-positive patient in our hospital pass away today. The patient had been in the hospital for several days, had a viral pneumonia, COVID-related pneumonia, and unfortunately was not able to recover from it. Had some ups and downs along the way. We wish he would have done well, but it's the way this course works in a small percentage of people.
Dr. Wilson acknowledges that more people in the Midland community will get the disease.
We also had a confirmed case from a patient that was tested out of our emergency department. This was an adolescent that was tested several days ago, and they came back with a positive COVID. They've been home quarantining, we hope and believe, and should be recovering without any incident, not having any other complications or problems as that we've heard of. So doing well from that. Health department is following up on that and will give us further information going forward. And we're hoping that she does well and that things move forward from there. But we're anticipating further cases in the community, and we're anticipating that there'll be community spread of the disease. And until we start doing what we need to do about separating from one another and not breathing on one another and being far enough apart in shopping and everywhere that we go, this curve is going to continue an upward trend.
Social separation in the home and in public, as well as shelter in place, is important to bringing down the COVID-19 curve.
As I've said in every single press conference, if you don't want to be told what to do, then do what is being asked of you at this particular time. If you have not thought this is serious, then it's time for you to understand that this is incredibly serious. It is right here in Midland, Texas. It is right here in Odessa. There are still 100 tests out. There's some dynamics to those and what kind of people those are. But the fact of the matter is, our healthcare system, as prepared as it could possibly be, cannot overcome being run over by people continuing to be exposed to the coronavirus and becoming COVID-19 positive. That's why we as citizens, unless you want to be told what to do, and there are many out there, I've received your emails, I've seen your text messages, who want me and want the council to put in a shelter in place. We have a shelter in place that's actually with fewer exceptions than what are being promoted out there in other cities. We're asking you to get serious about it with us, to make sure you're doing the things you need to do with social distancing, to do what Dr. Wilson told you to do, and actually you're doing it. And so continue to do those things, become more aggressive about those things, and if you want to continue to be people that treasure life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, then with that responsibility, which our freedom comes with responsibility, be responsible in this particular situation.
The Midland County Sheriff's Office has reduced the jail population by releasing nonviolent crime offenders and has stopped the transfer of prisoners to other counties.
We have stopped transferring. We don't take any prisoners in. We're not sending any prisoners out. We have brought the population down. Yesterday, I believe we gave numbers of roughly 75, and I don't think it was many more today, about another 10 I think were identified, I think. We're trying to bring those down. Again, if it's a misdemeanor and we can deal with it with a citation on the street, we're going to deal with you at some future date, so we're not bringing any more people in than we need to.
Midland Mayor Patrick Payton urges residents to stay informed and to follow CDC guidelines to reduce the chances of getting the virus. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Danny Barrera.
Thank you for following us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, also at DannyVisionEntertainment.com. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Viridiana Marquez.